This, the big thing you have to worry about this one is a smoke. So if you're trying to be undetected, this is not how you would do it.
You could build a
furnace. Yeah, you could almost build a furnace type where it had a cover and you had straw over the top of it. Yeah. Yeah, that would work.
Or dig you a hole and mud.
Yeah.
And kind of mud around it and stuff. I mean,
Dakota fire pit.
Leave enough. Yeah.
So I like this.
It works.
Alcohol is really quick. Really, I mean, that's 5 minutes of fire and it takes no effort and one strike off the
well,
flint.
You could always shove you a bunch of cotton balls. I mean, you can load a baby food jar full of cotton balls.
Right.
And dump your alcohol in there.
Yeah.
And they keep you going probably, you know, a long, long time.
Yeah. Well, and the same thing with the Vaseline. Is Vaseline will make these burn
and it's not
incredibly...
heavy. It's not heavy.
Right.
And cotton balls aren't heavy. So you get more than one bag, let the air out of it, and put it into like a gallon Ziploc bag, and you just stuff that puppy full.
Well, it depends on also, that's why, like I carry the three kinds. I carry the one that is the wet fire. And then I carry the strike wet, flame, the matches, the strike wet. I carry a lighter that does have fluid in it. Afterwards, I can always use the flint out of there to start fires. And then, you know, we can always use that, the matches that are strike. And then we're making those other matches that are the Vaseline wrapped with the paper, you know, dipped in wax. Those will burn, I think, an incredibly long time. Somebody said like 6 to 10 minutes, depending on what you used and the quality of your items.
Well,
so I mean, I've got...
And that's the reason why I told you to get the big matches.
Yeah, see, I've got matches. I've got wet strike matches. I've got wet fire. I have a lighter.
And you've got your
I have a little bitty vial about that big. It's like an Avon perfume bottle of alcohol. I have char cloth. I'm
still telling you though.
I've got cotton balls.
Shove them cotton balls down in a baby food jar.
Well, I've probably got 30 straws filled with cotton balls now already in my fire kit, which this is not, what I have here tonight is not my fire kit. This is my part of my EDC. This is part of my EDC. So this is not going to be, this is my backup. My actual fire kit's still in my Bob GHB 72-hour bag. That's all there. That's still in the trunk of my car. So, you know, this little stove will eventually have to go in there. But I'm having fun warming a teapot with it. So, I think I've seen somebody one time, it was, I don't know where they were, but they were on basically a frozen lake. And they set one of these out and started a fire in the middle of the lake. Yep, told you. All right. Dry wood that was off the part of our deck.